Hello everyone, welcome back. So right now we are going to be planting a tree. So let's do it. Here Mom, put it here. Yeah, anyways guys, you know what? My mom actually planted this tree like so long ago. So my mom planted this tree 10 years ago. And that was crazy. Which is like, it's so beautiful now and I'm so grateful. And it smells, the nature is amazing. So let's... And I always like plant trees every year because I feel like it's really great because I just love planting like trees because I feel like the nature is amazing and I just feel breezy, you know. I like doing this because like every summer it's very nice to plant trees with your mom. So you guys should do it also. I just got a lot of grass, but I feel like... Press it? Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now, next we're gonna go with big water. Can you? Okay.
Grow a lot.
Yes. Okay. Now we're going to press on it. Now it's in all place and it's all good. Now, Teddy.